Welcome to Real People, Real Problems, and Real Solutions. I said it right the first time, baby. We're live from Tijuana, Mexico. Here I am with Peter. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I was not. What's your name?
Peter Albertine.
Okay. Now, what did you come down here for? What were you looking for?
I came down here to find you. I'm tracking you. And I came down here for chiropractic.
Excellent. Now, what kind of issues were you having?
Hip joint issues.
Okay, so hip joint. We're talking super active guy. Okay, and now you've had a few adjustments. Okay, I know. We just did post X-rays. Okay, I think it was the third set of X-rays. And what did we see on the hip?
We're getting regeneration of the hip.
Regeneration of the hip. Okay, have you ever heard of such a thing?
Not until I met you.
The key is, figure this. Okay, the reason that we got to talk to orthopedic surgeons kind of slow, because they give a drug called a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory, which is an Advil, Motrin, Aleve. It's a whole class of drugs. But what that does, it destroys the building block of cartilage. Okay, it also limits osteoblast production. So and that's the cells that build up bone. So the reason that most doctors don't see it is because they're stopping it by giving a drug to deal with symptoms. Now, what are the things? Since I know I've seen you in Huntington Beach, did you have any problems coming across the border, and have you utilized any other therapies here?
Yes, I have. This place is amazing, and it's easier to get here than I thought. It's not hard to come here. To come across the border, it can be a little bit of a wait, but this place is amazing. What it offers to me, it seems like a one-of-a-kind place, like no other place on the planet.
I know. Okay, where did you originally come from?
New Mexico.
No, we're in Mexico. Where'd you come from?
Well,
no, I'm totally kidding. He said New Mexico. Okay. It's an inside joke that only I got. So you came from New Mexico. Okay. And I know you brought your parents. Okay, which, honest to God, everyone's got a mom and dad and you think they're the best. His parents are freaking amazing. They are. They've been living where? In Oaxaca for
a couple decades in Oaxaca.
Yeah, they're really cool. You did good picking parents. Now, have you done any of the dental stuff, the IVs, or anything else down here?
Yeah, I've done the dental work and the IVs and other things too. And to me, it's just an amazing, resource all in one place.
Cool. Now, anybody that's scared, okay, because most people are scared to take charge of their health. Some people think that the border is closed and all this delusionary stuff. You don't need vaccines, you don't need shots, you don't need tests to come into Mexico. Okay, this ain't Canada. I know, how's that? Now, what would you tell? Because people literally they want to abdicate authority over their own health to a doctor, even though they're going to get poisoned with medications. What could you tell someone that to inspire them for courage?
Well, one thing that comes to mind is you can't afford not to come here. To me, this is it took me a while to discover this holistic view of health and of healing. And as I started to understand it, I realized that there's no substitute. This is huge. It's huge for your health. I think this is the direction. This is where health is evolving, and without a doubt. And we're just a little, we're a little slow to realize that. We got a little sidetracked with all the other crazy ideas and notions about approaches to health. But it took me a while to realize this, but the more, from watching your videos, I had to watch a lot of them, or a good chunk of them, to kind of get your picture of what you're saying, this bigger picture of health. And as I started to realize it, it just all makes sense. It just makes sense.
What's a trip is, the message is simple. It's the body is self-healing and self-regulating. The body gives symptoms for a reason. If you're dealing with just the symptoms and not the cause of the symptoms, that means like blood pressure, cholesterol, or pain reliever drugs, or all the myriad of chemicals they can give you. But you're right. Healing only comes from within. It's the doctor can sew it up, but the body's got to heal itself, man.
I love that. Yeah, and you communicate that with all this, all this educational stuff you put out there, all these videos, and I think all your patients know that. That's why they come here, and I hope we get the word out.
We got to.
Because everyone is going to benefit from this.
Yeah. It's like you got to have that evangelical, no. Put down the box of pills, okay, or the pill bottle of pills, okay? Your body is self-healing. You're made in the image likeness of God. Pick yourself up and deal with those, the causative factor. Restore, regenerate, renew. That's your potential. That's the key. Peter, God bless you, man. Take charge of your health, okay, and just come on down, man.
Do it.
God bless you, brother. God bless you.